Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Amidst backlash over the dumping of over 50,000 doses of vaccines recently, the government is changing its policy on how it accepts vaccine donations. According to Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, vaccines with short expiration dates may not be accepted in large portions. Kelisha Williams reports.
On September 31, the government had to dump over 50,000 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine. That led to public outrage, with persons blasting the health ministry for poor vaccine management. And on top of that, come October 31, thousands of doses of the same vaccine will expire. Speaking at a tour in Clarendon Thursday, Dr. Tufton explained that the government is changing its strategy.
What we will do and have been doing is look at the message, look at how we distribute, push harder to convince, but we also, very importantly, have to now determine how we accept vaccines with short expiration dates.
Dr. Tufton said while not redirecting the blame because the government officials are the ones who accepted the vaccines, it has to be said that the shorter the expiration date, the more difficult it will be to administer all the vaccines. He pointed out that it is especially important now when a large section of the population is vaccine hesitant.
While we are very grateful for the gifts, because there was a time when that was the only game in town, the truth is we are going to also have to pivot or change the approach to still accept the gifts but also be measured in what we accept, when we accept it, and how much we accept, and manage the expiration dates to ensure that we are not putting ourselves in a position where we undermine our own confidence in the system.
But why wasn't that done before?
In truth, we should have been more thoughtful to determine that instead of accepting X amount, we accept less in keeping with how we can dispose of it. So that conversation has to take place. That conversation is taking place.
In the meantime, Dr. Tufton is urging adults who still have a preference for the Pfizer vaccine that the next shipment will be for children and persons waiting on their second dose. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.